I roll the top of the head. Yeah, that bitch trying to go fed. Yeah, she trying to put that. Yeah, she trying to give me head. Told that bitch, fuck that. Then I broke the fucking bed. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
You a race? What's that? I'm trying to smoke you right quick. What's that? I'm like that. Give him a race. Give him a race. You scared? Come on, I'm a New Orleans streamer, brother.
You not beating me in a race, bro.
Let's go. Pull my back, bro. If I win, 5 bands. Come on.
You not beating me in a race.
100 push-ups.
You not beating a race.
I'm not gonna beat you, brother.
You not beating me in a race.
Like that, brother.
I promise you.
I'm really like that, brother.
I promise you can beat me in a race.
Fuck, let's go. Security, here we good. Let's go. You got time for a little race. You in that city right now, brother. Hey, my name Lucci Money.
We just doing a tour.
Lucci Money. Shout out Eyes on Speed, brother. I ain't lying. I fucking what you doing, brother.
Maybe
I ain't
we're
lying.
just doing a tour. Maybe at the end when we come
Hey,
out, alright?
hey, Lucci what? You gonna fuck with me? You scared? He's scared.
I'm doing a tour. After I do the tour, I'll race you.
Hey, I'm about to say, Lucci Money. Lucci Money.
I'll race you.
Bro, you got it.
We're going